Hey, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Today is September 15th. I wanted to get this video out to y'all very quickly before I get my kids to school, but there's something I wanted to share with y'all before it starts to happen. So, the dark pool has been active again. So, what is the dark pool exactly, and what does it mean? This is going to be a quick breakdown, but basically, long story short, this is on Livevol, where I can see all the prints that hit the time and sales window. Everything that is at a 251 is basically a transaction that occurred the prior day. So if we look at it from here, you can see how the time and sales window was having transactions going by at 251 share size and getting filled at 393 when the SPY was actually at a bid and ask of 392.26 and 392.28. So you can see how they, excuse me, they don't match. So why is that? It's because these trades are done the day before and they're getting reported a day later, 24 hours later. So you can be buying into a huge seller and not even know it. So that's the quick and dirty version of it. Sorry, my kids are screaming in the background. But the main reason I'm pointing out to you because anything greater than 10 million late prints. Sorry for really bad handwriting on a mouse. It's kind of hard. Anything greater than 10 million late prints is worth noting. Every time there's 10 million or plus, there's a big move in the market. Throughout the summer, there typically hasn't been any large dark pool activity. Summer trading occurs, things like that. Well, it looks like summer trading is over and they're starting to be active again. So yesterday, there was a total of 10 million at three. Oh, sorry, not 36, not that one. Right here at 393, basically 24. There was 10 million there. And then yesterday, there was a whopping 15 million late sell prints as well. So let's just go ahead and pull up a chart, break it down. It's something I think is worth watching. So this is the SPY, the S&P 500 ETF. So what I really want to do is I'm just going to zoom in. Well, actually first, let's break it down how it even works. So I like to use this late print right here because it really paints a picture clearly of what you can do with it. So there was 20 million late prints up here at 458.62, right? Large late print, and you see it causes a big move lower. And then there was 14.8 million, and you just see these really large late prints happen, and then you get the flush lower. And then there was some right here, and we break the level, and it falls. You can kind of see how it paints it all together. Now, like I mentioned yesterday, I want to go into a 1 hour chart. Excuse me, and point this out. So, not yesterday, but day before yesterday. So before the CPI number came out, there was 15 million at 410.83, all the way up here, right? So what happened? So you see, I put this on the chart in which the it's hitting the time of sales window. So right here, you can see how we rallied up to here, and so they were selling it to you, and you did not know about it. And then 24 hours later, it hits the tape, and then look, we're all the way down here. Well, actually, I guess it's down here because this is pre-market. And so, excuse me, so this is actually right here. And you see how we flushed. Now, yesterday we had 10 million, but we did close above it at 393.24. Now, this is why I'm wanting to paint this picture to you, because I do think if we break this level right here, we're going to flush down. So please be hedged, have some shorts on, do whatever you're going to do. So you see this blue trend line? That is this trend line. I do think we're in this ginormous little wedge pattern on the SPY. I mean, I do think we could possibly rally up and then before breaking, but if this is heavy dark pool activity is going to be enough to break this trend line and say today we close like this below 389.95, which is our where there was 22.5 million late sell prints. That's a big level. If this level gets broken and we break this trend line, I do think that price is going to work its way down. We'll test these lows and potentially come all the way down to these signals that are down in the 350-ish level area, which also lines up with the weekly 200-day SMA. Anyways, wanted to get it out there, show you it. Excuse me, had to clear my throat, I had a frog in there. But basically, I just wanted to get it out there before it happens so everyone can pay attention to it. The dark pool is getting active. 15 million late sell prints here, 10 million late prints right here. If we break this trend line in this level, I think we're going to hit 380, and then potentially take out the bottom, take out the lows potentially. But I wanted to get that out to you. Make sure you hedged, and yeah, make sure you have a plan accordingly. But that 390 level, definitely a level worth watching. We get below it, down we go. All right, everyone, have an awesome day today. Good luck trading, and I'll keep you updated on what happens. Take care, everybody.